This is the MSI Titan 18HX, and MSI isn't being subtle about it. They're basically saying, why buy a desktop when you can carry one? And after spending serious time with this thing, gaming, editing, exporting, stress testing, yeah, it's kinda ridiculous. But here's the thing, power like this always comes with trade-offs. Some obvious, some surprising. So the real question is this monster actually worth your hard-earned cash? Product overview. So what exactly are we looking at? This is the MSI Titan 18HX, and it's MSI's no-compromise flagship gaming laptop. This thing is aimed squarely at hardcore gamers, 3D artists, engineers, and creators who need insane performance and don't want to be tied to a desk. We're talking Intel Core i9 HX series CPUs, NVIDIA RTX 4090 laptop GPUs, a massive 18-inch mini LED display, and desktop-level cooling. Pricing starts very high and can go very high, but that's the point. This isn't trying to be portable, it's trying to be the most powerful laptop you can buy. Performance. So specs are one thing, but how does it actually feel to use? In a word, unstoppable. I threw everything at this thing. A3A gaming at ultra settings, 4K video timelines in Premiere Pro, heavy After Effects compositions, and even Blender renders, and it just didn't flinch. Games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Alan Wake 2 run buttery smooth with ray tracing on, and DLSS basically feels mandatory, because why not? What really surprised me was the consistency. No sudden dips, no weird stutters, no, okay, I need to close Chrome moments. The HX series Intel CPU plus the RTX 4090 LGPU means this thing behaves more like a tower PC than a laptop. Thermals are aggressive but controlled. Fans get loud, sure, but performance doesn't tank. If you're coming from a thinner gaming laptop, this feels like jumping several weight classes overnight. Features and tech. First up, the 18-inch mini LED display. It's bright, sharp, and insanely immersive. With a high refresh rate and excellent contrast, games look punchy and HDR content genuinely pops. For creators, this means better color accuracy and less second-guessing when editing. Second, the cooling system. MSI uses a vapor chamber and multiple fans, and while it's not quiet, it works. Sustained performance is the real win here. You're not buying peak numbers, you're buying consistency. Third, upgradability. This is huge. You can access RAM and storage easily, and MSI supports ridiculous amounts of both. That means this laptop can actually grow with you over several years. And finally, the keyboard and I/O. The mechanical-style keyboard feels fantastic for both gaming and typing, and you get basically every port you could ask for. Thunderbolt, HDMI, Ethernet, multiple USB-A ports. Dongle life? Not here. Design and build. Aesthetically, MSI went full no apologies. This thing is big, bold, and unapologetically gamer. It's built like a tank, with a sturdy chassis that doesn't flex even under pressure. The RGB lighting is customizable and surprisingly tasteful, if you want it to be. But let's be real, this is not something you casually toss into a backpack. It's heavy, thick, and demands space. On a desk, though, it feels premium and purposeful, like a high-end workstation that just happens to fold shut. Battery life. Let's get this out of the way. Battery life is not the Titan's strong suit. You're looking at a few hours at best for light tasks, and much less if you're gaming or rendering. But honestly, that's expected. This is a plug-it-in-and-go machine. MSI clearly prioritized performance over unplugged longevity. And if you're the target user, you already know this isn't a coffee shop laptop. Pros. Absolutely insane desktop-class performance. Stunning 18-inch mini LED display. Great port selection and future-proof upgradability. Cons. Heavy and not very portable. Loud fans under full load. Final verdict. So who is the MSI Titan 18HX actually for? Look, if you're a hardcore gamer, a professional creator, or an engineer who wants desktop-level power without building a PC, this is an absolute beast. It delivers on its promise. No shortcuts, no compromises. But if you're someone who values portability, battery life, or a slimmer design, this is absolutely the wrong laptop for you. Is it worth the money? For the right person, yes. You're paying for raw, uncompromising power in a form factor that technically qualifies as portable. The Titan 18HX isn't trying to please everyone, and that's exactly why it works.